I remember, oh, that's cool. I remember too when I cleaned these carpet stairs with my steam cleaner, I had a little piece of carpet coming out here and I didn't want to trim it off. I thought, hey, when I get my crazy glue out, I'll fix it right in here. I could have snipped that off, then I'd have a little hole down there. And I didn't want to do that, you know? And you never want to pull carpet strands, you know, because if you do, it could zip all the way across, depending where it is. Gotta get the tip in there first. Okay, there. Just gonna hold it in there, count to 10 or so before pulling it out, and then usually I twist it a little bit to get it off the carpet strand before I pull it out. Okay, because if you don't do that, sometimes you get it stuck in there nicely, and then you try to pull it out, and you pull it right out because it's stuck on the tip of your screwdriver. Okay. All right, got that fixed. I always like to keep super glue gel around. And I'm still working here, but when I get that done, I'll have that all cleaned up. I assured her, yes, when I get all done, it's going to look like I was never here. And that's the goal every time I do a project, and hopefully that's yours too. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.